Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to make sure your team never misses an important update? In this video, I'll show you how to set up automatic notifications in Bitrix24. First, go to the tool you want to set up notifications for, like the CRM tasks or calendar. In the CRM, open a pipeline. Click on the Automation tab. Here, you can create a rule to send a notification when a deal moves to a new stage, when a task is completed. For tasks, open a task list or project. Look for the Automation or Workflow section. You can set it to notify someone when a task is assigned to them, or when a deadline is approaching. You can also set up personal reminders. In your profile settings, go to Notifications. Here you can choose how you want to be notified by push notification, email, or both for different activities. To notify an entire group, use the Notify Employees feature in a task or post to send an instant alert to specific people or departments. Test your notifications to make sure they're working correctly, and that's it. You've just automated your alerts to keep your team informed and on track. If this improves your team's communication, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.